friends, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are good and doing good. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the tyndall effect and suspension. What is the suspension and tyndall effect? Tyndall effect. I have not written up here cause there were no space and it looks too bad after writing. So yeah, we are going to learn about the suspension and tyndall effect. What are they? Firstly, we have covered so many topics in our previous classes about science and physics, chemistry, and I know that we are being too late with our syllabus. Like in science, we have covered only the chapters which we have started in the start. We have started in our starting, and now we are covering the portion. So yeah, we have to do so fast and so too quick. We are late with it. So yeah, in matter our in our surroundings, it's is matter around us are pure. We are sucked in it. Okay, so in if we explain this, this is one is our last unit of our matter around us pure. Then we will start with the atoms and molecules. Then structure of the atom, the fundamental of unit of life, tissues, motion, force and laws of motion, gravitation, work and energy, sound, improvement in food as the resources. So these are all we have to complete up the in our this book, and there are total 12 chapters. We have only talking about the two, and we in the previous classes before starting our portion we have learned about the tissues, motion, force and laws of motion, gravitation. These four chapters we have completed. uh, More four chapters, more three chapters are left it, and more three and more three means six, total six chapters are left it. So we have to do all that all. So yeah, in matter around us we are in our unit for last and suspension and tyndall effect. So let's start with it. So I will say you what is the suspension and tyndall effect. Suspension is an reaction which happens in our daily life. Now, to observe or to observe to observe or to see suspension, how it works how it works, we will for that we will do an experiment. Okay, experiment. So yeah, take a beaker. In that beaker put put some potassium and then put some salt. After some time you can see that the after some time like 1 minute you can see that in that glass the powder and potassium, the salt and the potassium has making the water very suspensions means they are not laid down on the bottom mean, and they are and that the larger particles are on the bottom, but the smaller particles have made it the water suspensions means the thing which gets and takes and reaction and change his color, that is called as suspensions. And the subject which doesn't change the color after the effects of and chemicals, that is called non-suspension. So yeah, when the suspension gets created, the tyndall effect get created. So what is the tyndall effect now? The tyndall effect is nothing but it is an effect which get happens in our daily life, like you can see like you can see an the canopy of an dense forest, dense forest. They are, I imagine they are long and tall trees of porcupine, and trees, from that trees, from the sun, from the sky, from the sky, the sun is the sun is shining, and the fog is there. Means when the fog and sunshine gets comes from the and canopy of and dense forest, canopy of an canopy, like canopy means subjects, and the object which is full of the small things, means like pencils. Take for doing for seeing the Tyndall effect, you take an pencil, two boxes of pencil full of pencils, keep them on, keep them on uh, keep them on a table, and by standing position you paste from it glue gun, and then you make a you take a torch and put the lights off. After putting the lights off, you just do open the flashlight of your phone or something else, okay? then observe you that observe that how the light is coming from here and there, from the pencils, how the lights are coming, and the lefted light means the on the walls you can see here that the light is coming like stripe, black shadow of pencil, then light, then shadow of pencil, light. It takes and types of illusionative and weird uh, look, ठीक है? So that is called as Tyndall effect. So yeah, I hope you understand what is the Tyndall effect now, and what is the suspension. Now, in the chapter we have activities and experiments. So let's do with that. Okay, let me take out the activity which we are going to do now. Okay, so now um, our activity is, yeah, so our activity is, take and do two glasses. In that glasses, put the solution of copper and then sulfate, and see that they does not take that does not be at the place, they make the color change, and that is called as Tyndall effect. So yeah, that is a Tyndall effect. And the activity of pencils, you can take and you can take a small torch, and you can take an hairbrush, like the brush which has hair, which is called as hairbrush. From the hairbrush you can torch up the lights from the other sides, and from the other side you can see that how the lights are coming. And same as it is, the Tyndall effect also works in the canopy of and dense forest. Means the sunlight comes from this tree to this tree, it gets reject, it reduces its shining, means its shininess get reduces, and it gets disappears slowly, cause of the forest dense forest trees, okay? So like this our Tyndall effect works. And suspension means the thing which change the color after and reaction of chemicals. Non-suspension means, and the thing, the subject which doesn't takes which doesn't get the subject which be at the lay at the bottom, means if they are small also, larger also, they all be at the bottom. So that is called as the our non-suspension. So yeah, I hope you understand what is the suspension and non-suspension. If you understand, thanks for watching my video. In next video we will start our new chapter, which is atoms and molecules. We will learn about the introduction first in the first video of it, and then in next video we will start our units. So yeah, I hope you understand what was the explanation about. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.